Yeah.
How to convert fail mazi into fail muzare. And this is a very, very main part. In fail mazi, we have done that there are 14 total words, which is divided into six and six for the third person, six for the second person, and then again six is divided into three, which is for six into divided into two. Okay, two,
Wait, can you
which
repeat
is
again?
three for male,
Oh, yeah.
and three for female. Then again three for male and three for female, and then these three divided into again to three, which is singular, dual, and plural. And this is same, and this is also same. And then the rest two is for the first person, and which is called mutakallim, and in which male and female are together. And those two is one for singular and one is for plural. So, and we did this, applied this on qala. The qala, qala, qalu, qalat, qalata, kulna, kulta, kultuma, kultum, kulti, kultuma, kultunna, kultu, kulna.
Yeah.
Now, qala, we are going to change it into fail muzare. Okay.
Yeah.
And let's say don't take qala because to make it easy, I'm going to take another word that is, you can say, qala and zoraba. Zoraba is also the fail mazi. Okay. But we are going to change zoraba first and then I will tell you the same procedure apply on qala and it will convert it to fail muzari. Okay. So
Okay.
zoraba. Let's say zoraba is fail mazi. He hit. That's mean he hit. This is a third person and first siga, which is for he hit. Okay. So basically for fail muzari, we have four things, four words, four letters to add in the beginning of fail mazi, then it will convert into fail muzari. Number one is alif. Number two is ya. Number three is ta. Number four is noon. And the same procedure of this thing. This will be same for fail mazi and fail muzari. We have to keep in our mind. So alif represent that I.
Or I.
I. I mean like you can say like a first person.
Yeah.
First person, and that is this one that we discuss singular. Okay, first person singular. Always we will use I. Like if it is zoraba, if I make it azribu. Okay, azribu. Azribu. Azribu mean I am hitting or I will hit. In fail mazare, we will translate for present and future tense both. Okay, azribu mean first person, saying like azribu, I am hitting or I will hit. Okay,
Okay.
and ya will use for he. He mean like you can say the third person.
Yeah.
Okay, third person. And ta will use for you. You for male and female both. Okay, and she. So for you, we can say the second person, male and female both. Second person, male, female both. And she, you can say the third person, female. Third person, female. And noon will use for this one, plural. The first person,
Yeah.
first person, plural. Like we. Okay. So now I'm going to tell you Zoraba. I'm going to change it. Okay.
Yeah.
First of all, according to this pattern, I'm going to change the color so it will be very clear. So mm, according to this pattern, we have the 14 words. The first six are divided into first six are divided for the third person, right?
Yeah.
So we are going to make the first six there, third person. And the third person, I said that the six is divided into two again. First of all, we are making it for the third person, okay? Third person. One, two, three. This side, it is for the male, and this side is for the female, okay?
Yes.
One, two, three. So this is first this one, third person. These six we are making, okay? For three male and three female. First of all, we are going to cover this with Zoraba. So I told you, first of all, for the male, male third person, like he. This is the third person and male. So for what we have to use? Ya. We will say yazribu. Okay?
Yeah.
Yazribu. Yazribu mean he is hitting or he will hit. Okay? And then for the dual, we say yazribani. Yazribu, yazribani. It is for the dual. And yazribuna. Fail Muzari is kind of a little like lengthy than the fail Mazi because fail Mazi has a short word like Zoraba, Zoraba, Zorabu. You just have to add alif within. with
Mhm.
that, right? Zoraba, Zoraba, and then Zorabu. But for fail Muzari, you have to add alif and noon also, okay? And waw and noon also. This is the same thing like Zoraba, Zoraba, let's say, but there is also Zoraba. We added ya and we added noon, okay?
Yeah.
You got it? So
Yes.
Yazribani and then Yazribuna. We added waw, but with the noon. And this is for plural, okay? Yazribu, Yazribani, Yazribuna. And then I said that third person female. Now find out third person female. This is third person female. What we use? Ta, right?
Mhm.
So same thing. On the right hand, we said Yazribu. We will say Tazribu. Tazribu, Tazribani. Tazribani. Same as a fi'l madi. Zoraba, Zorabu, Zoraba, Zoraba, Zorabu, then Zorabat, Zorabata, Zorabna. But at this point, we have to look at the third person male. Yazribu, Yazribani, Tazribu, Tazribani. Just change ta into ya, okay? Like it just change ya into ta, okay? So
Okay.
it is Tadribu, Tazribani, and then this is a kind of change. Yazribna. Yazribna, okay? I said that like it is the majority use ta for the female, but at this point this is changed. It is again ya, okay?
Mhm.
So at this point we can also say third person male, he for male plus female plural, okay? Female plural we will use ya, okay? So is that clear now?
Yeah.
Tazribu,
Just writing the last
she.
one.
Tazribani, dual, and Yazribna, plural. Okay. Now I'm going to make the rest
Last one.
6 of
Last one. What is it? What is the last one?
Yazribna. Yazribna.
Yeah, Zurabuna. Okay.
Yazribna. And now we are going to do the second person. Second person. Here, this side is male, and second person is female there. Okay. And I told you for the second person, but we have to use ta, this one. Second person, male and female, we have to use ta for all. Okay. And this is same as it is like the third person, this one. I'm going to change the color again.
Okay.
So this is now, it was Yazribu, and here we have to read Tazribu. Just change ta, Tazribu. And now look, this and this is same, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is same actually. Tazribu,
It just
Tazribani. Yeah, same. Tazribani. And there again, instead of ya, you have to write Tazribuna. Okay? Just change the ta.
Yeah.
It is so easy, easier than the fi'l mazi. Okay?
Mm.
Tazribu, Tazribani, Tazribuna. Okay?
Mhm.
And from now on, this is also a bit changed. Tazribina, Tazribina. And then this is again same. Tazribani. And this is Yazribna, but at this point we have to write Tazribna.
Mhm.
That's it. Tazribna. That's mean you plural. This is dual, and this is plural, and this is also you. So, but keep in mind this is male and this is female. Okay. So
Yeah.
what I said that for the male, there we had Yazribu, and there we have Tazribu. There we have Yazribani. There we have Tazribani. There we have Yazribuna. There we have Tazribuna. Okay. And for female, it is a bit changed. Instead of Tazribu, we have to, because we have used Tazribu 2 times, right? There, this is also Tazribu, and this is also Tazribu. I'm going to change the color again.
Mhm.
Okay. This is also Tazribu, and this is also Tazribu, right?
Yeah.
So there we have to say Tazribina for the female. And then Tazribani. So now see, this Tazribani, this is Tazribani, and this is Tazribani. All are same. For the dual, it is same.
Yeah.
Okay. Tazribina, Tazribani, and there we said that Yazribna, and there it is Tazribna. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay. Now which letters are same? I'm gonna point out there. Tazribu, and this is Tazribu. Okay. And there also we have like Tazribani, this one, and Tazribani, this one, and this one, same. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. These are same only. And there it is just Yazribna, and there is Tazribna. Got it?
Okay.
And now the rest two, the first person. For the first person, but we have to use alif, this one. I'm going to change the marker again in color. Okay. So for the first person, we have to use Azribu, alif. Azribu for I. Okay. And for the last, this is also the first person. This is first person. We have to use Nazribu. Azribu, Nazribu. Nazir will mean we are hitting or we will hit. Okay.
Yeah.
This is a very, very important lecture. You can stop recording now.
Yeah.